Hi, salty friends. Thanks for swimming over to our YouTube channel to check out this inside look video for Coral Magazine. I'm Alex Rose, Associate Editor over at Coral, and we're going to be checking out the pages of the July-August issue of the magazine. It's a particularly science-heavy one that is themed around how exactly corals build their skeletons, as well as the role that their skeletal structures play in classification and taxonomy. It's pretty fascinating stuff, and I certainly learned a lot while working on this issue. So let's have a look. As always, we start off the magazine with Reef Notebook, our section dedicated to findings and happenings of note in the marine world. The first article, written by yours truly, explores the connection between storms, microbes, and coral disease, and how studying environmental DNA, or eDNA, can help scientists better understand the ways microbial communities influence reef health. Article 2 covers the cutting-edge experimental research being done at Australia's National Sea Simulator with the goal of examining the responses of marine organisms to environmental changes. Next comes the eye candy. This section of Reef Visions features an incredibly colorful chalice, a very psychedelic disc coral, a gorgeous neon yellow hammer, and much more. Then we get into our cover story content. We begin with a general overview of what exactly a stony coral skeleton is and some of the main characteristics to pay attention to in these calcified wonders. The next one really starts to dig deep into how exactly calcium and carbonates are converted into the spectacular skeletons that support stony corals, and it breaks down some of the complex processes and mechanisms that make calcification possible. Next, we talk about how to successfully leverage some of the most popular calcium and alkalinity management methods for the successful care of stony corals. After that, we delve into the systematics of stony corals and the role their skeletons play in classification. It initially seems straightforward, but unsurprisingly, it turns out that the more we learn, the less we actually know. Next is an exciting fish feature about the tessellated barnacle blenny, Hypsiblennius invamar, and its recent debut from Bocas Mariculture with U.S. distribution via Biota. Our aquarium portrait features the beautiful and peaceful 120-gallon arts and crafts inspired mixed reef of Jason Langer that contains almost 20 species of corals and really makes you wish the printed pictures were actually videos. We close out the magazine with a case study of algae turf scrubbing on the reef from the previous article. It's an enjoyably scientific home aquarium experiment that actually yielded some robust data that makes a great case for algae cultivation as a super effective way to manage nutrients. There's, of course, a lot to learn in this edition of Coral, so I hope you're subscribed to the magazine. If not, you can do that in the link below. And if you missed this issue, you can always purchase it from our back issue shop on the Coral website. I hope you enjoyed this exclusive inside look at this exciting issue of Coral. If you liked this video, please click subscribe. And in the meantime, thanks for watching. See you next time.